Hey everyone, welcome back to Skill Tapasya. If you are a first year student or just starting your degree, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and total overwhelm. I get it. Looking back at my journey, there are a few hard truths that would have saved my hundreds of hours of frustration. So today we are cutting through the noise. 5 things I wish I knew before I wrote my first line of code in college. Number 1, you cannot cram programming. If you try to learn an entire programming language in just a weekend's coffee break, it will just leave you in a burnt out state. What actually works is showing up every day and making small programs every single day. Taking on something like a 100 days challenge will really help. It will build some muscle memory, and if you keep on showing every single day, it will build consistency and put you leagues ahead of many of the programmers in your peer group who are just memorizing the programs one day before the lab examination. Number 2, stop getting stuck in tutorial hell while in your college, because in college you learn a lot of theory, but theory doesn't build software engineers. The moment you know basics, start building like APIs. Dive into the frameworks like Flask, Django, Spring Boot, Fast API or TensorFlow and start building real projects that actually matter in real life. Start solving real world problems, but remember to take projects step by step. Number 3, software development isn't just a solo sport. You need people to discuss things with, and bouncing off ideas in a peer is the best and fastest way to grow up and learn new things. You will learn exponentially fast if you start collaborating with other people. Having someone to help you troubleshoot that weird front-end bug at 3 a.m. is a real game changer. So surround yourself with people who push you to write better code and build better projects. Number 4, red text is not your enemy. The programs will crash, the APIs will fail, the apps will not run. But if you kept on showing up, you kept on developing, and you kept on programming forward, solving the errors, fixing the bugs, and developing the software further, it will eventually yield massive results. So you should start learning early on how to read the stack trace, how to make logs, and how to debug efficiently. Don't jump to the AI tools for every single reason. AI tools when you are stuck. Debugging the systems and reading code and solving stack traces is the one of the biggest skill you will ever develop in your coding journey that will help you in a long term. Do it like this. Copy paste the entire stack trace in an MS window or a notepad file. Then read line by line what the stack trace tells, and then figure out what is the exact problem and the point of breakage and solve it yourself. Don't use internet for help for basic programs. And once you start getting acquainted with it and there are really some things that you don't know, then you can just go over to Stack Overflow, or even if you want to, then go for an AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini. Finally, number 5, keep a leader's mindset. You are not just writing the code that is going to pass you an exam. When you sit down to write code and build stuff, don't think of yourself like you are just a person making things. Think of yourself like an engineer building infrastructure of tomorrow, and aim for excellence, if not perfection. Coding is a tool of real strategic significance and creating real wealth and self-sufficiency. And who knows, maybe one project, one idea may change your entire life. If you are on your own coding journey right now, drop a comment on which day you are and also subscribe to the channel for having more such amazing content. Keep building, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.